it to change the y-axis, you get another change by 10, so negative 10. And we're going to drag it, and we're going to drag this code into this code. Thumbs up. And like Vivian's, that's what we worked on.
Good.
This is what the teacher is going to say.
Okay.
Click that. Now I can move her, and when I click space, she says that.
Now, class, we're going to be studying the history of St. John the Apostle's School. Very good. So what I see happening here is that you've combined what you learned in 2 weeks, right? So last week we talked about how to make the sprite have a speech bubble and talk. And this week we worked on, and last week, movement. And this week, statement. So you've combined all 3 elements. Really, really good. I'm very pleased to see this. Lily?